Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and welcome to my Halloween house tour. I hope you're ready for some silly Halloween fun. Let me show you around my Halloween decor. Won't you come in? Enter at your own risk. Happy Halloween, friends. Shall we go into the kitchen now? Won't you join me at my coffee bar? I'd be glad to pour you a cup of coffee. This is what happened to the last witch that drank my coffee. Well, as you're ready to leave, remember, I hope you come back again. And my pretties, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And maybe even share it with your friends and family. And if you're not yet subscribed to my nonsense, maybe you'll hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Y'all, I had so much fun making this. I hope you enjoyed my silliness. I had a blast. Take care till the next time.